Let's keep it simple. G and D on the right. B flat, C, D, G. And repeat. B flat, C, D, G. If you can do that, octaves next. B flat, C, D, G. Try an octave lower. B flat, C, D, G. Pay attention to the right hand, here we go. Same notes, just playing octaves. And again. Now pay attention to the thumb and little finger. While I play an E flat in the left, and an F, and a G. Paying attention, here we go. E flat. So the D is a fundamental part there. It always stays. So do that once more. E flat with a G and D, F with an A and D, G with a G and D. We can do that once more to emphasize the point, and back to the start. And change up the rhythm, just slightly. Now, if we want a melody, we need a scale. And that scale is G minor, B flat and E flat. Just like that. Now we can start making up our own music. Of course, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you want to see more of this sort of thing, make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, then hit that notification bell and I'll see you next time.